Another must-have in the van for those who are involved with unvented systems or boiler installations is the MACTUN-1. This is a 15mm inlet with a 22mm compression outlet. Now, unlike a spring-loaded diaphragm, this has got a silicon membrane. The silicon membrane is a one-way. It's not affected by hard water or limescale. And as you will see inside, it flows directly right through. It's not on a flat diaphragm. So when this is returned into a soil or a waste pipe, no odour or airborne pathogens will return back into the habitable space of the building. That is the MACTUN-1. Also available, and again comes under document G3, D1 and D2, is 22mm inlet and an 1¼ outlet. The inside can be actually reduced to 15mm if necessary, coming off the PRV, TRV valve. So this is a necessity too. For the larger job, we also make the MACVALVE-3 available. This is a non-return valve, same silicon membrane, 1¼ outlet with a 22mm compression inlet. You will notice there is a plain end on this. So if you prefer this to go into a brass compression fitting, you simply slice through, take the top off, and the plain tail you see here is 22mm, compatible with compression fittings. And that's the MACTUN and the MACVALVE range. These are KOMO and KIWA approved for use for unvented systems and boilers and condensate.